Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance, and see what can we expect from the market tomorrow. So if you look at it in the chart, so what we said is if it is going to break this all-time high of 22,126, we can go for long after gap up. But market opened near to that one. It could not break this one and it started moving down. And it was not confirming that it is going to be downwards or also going to be upward. It was a little confusing situation. So market took a dip and then broke all-time high and went up and came and closed to inside. So it wasn't. I could not see as a clean trade that we wanted to plan. So no trade today. So let's look at what can we expect from tomorrow market. So if you see this day candle, so it's like it could not break still all time high with the day candle. It has given an indecisive candle like a spinning top, right? So it's like until it breaks either of the side, we will not be able to take trade. Very simple. So if market gap up opens above this one, this today's high, 5 minute candle close above, we can go for long. If a 5 minute candle closes below this today's low, we can go for short. So these are the two simple trades we have it. If it is in the range, I think it's better to leave the market to go take a decision to which direction to take it. So, but in case you need little careful if it breaks and then comes inside, keep a type stop loss so that market might still rally further just to give a fake breakout. So I would suggest after breaking down, wait for one more break below that so that uh, we can expect a larger target. Otherwise, there might be a chance of fake breakout below and then market continue to go up. So this is what I could see it for Nifty. So this is what I have covered in my slide also. Let's open the slide and see. So gap up today it expected, but no trade as it opened near all time high and then took dip and did not give a clear direction of how it is going to do it. So expectation tomorrow gap up about 22,186 long, target 100 points, gap down, start below 22,020, target 100 points. Flat, no trade until it breaks the range actually. This is about Nifty, and let's look at what we can expect from market and what we discuss. So, market, I think we said that the buy can possible only above this one. The market remained silent today. Bank Nifty remained silent and did not get a good trade. So, but and it looks like continue to be in a negative sentiment. So, until it breaks the top today's high, will not take thing. So still, I'm seeing this. It has to break this the high of 48, 46, 88, right, 878 until it breaks up. For a safer side, I would say this 47,000 to be broken on the higher side for a longer like long for sitting on long. The easier part would be like if it breaks this below one, we can go for a short. That is definitely possible. But there is again a chance of market taking a fake breakout or below and then going continue to go up. So for taking a short position, so little be careful until it breaks convincingly down. So never go for short trade. Otherwise, it's going to be in the range for tomorrow also. So this is what we have it for Bank Nifty. So simple trade today above trade or 47 gap of 47,000 above only long trade, or if it fake a breakout and gives a, W pattern reversal, go for long. At least we can go travel till 47. So that is what I could see it. If it has to be short, so wait for a convincing breakout or gap down and convincingly breaking today's low. So then only you can go for short position for Bank Nifty. So coming to Reliance, so it's like market is trying to take a support of what it had broken some time back. So let's see if it breaks. If it breaks today's high, definitely is going to be traveling well. Actually, it is going to go up for a long time. So it is in a similar position. So I would suggest like whichever. Let's wait for the first swing to form on either side of it. Whichever side it breaks the first swing, go for that side action. If it is upside breaking up, so go for long. If it is a downside, if it breaks below, go for down. Right. So these are the two trades I can suggest for this one for Reliance. So I otherwise market will be remaining in the sideways for some time. So I would suggest these are the three trades for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance. And based on the position market taking today, opening tomorrow, we can take trade accordingly. And so if you like this video, you can like the video, put a like on the video, and then subscribe to this channel if you're not done so. And thanks for watching this video.